Hi everyone, welcome to the holiday update. I'm going to put it in a couple of parts, or 3 or 4 parts of videos, making it easier for you. We've got quite a lot of things that we probably wanted, and probably some of the things we didn't know we were going to get. And this update is version 12 2024.44.25.2, and hopefully you'll be getting this so you don't have to wait long. This is in my car, which is 2019, and I can't believe I've got some of these features. Yesterday I didn't have them, today I have got them. Same will you all have, it will be the same. And of course we will dive into everything at the same time, so we'll be back after our little intro.
Welcome again to Mal's Back Talking Tesla. My car's a 2019 Model 3, but this video is correct for all models and years of the Tesla, including yours. I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe at any point if you find this video useful. Doing that will get you all the latest releases, and I can provide personal help with the features and enhancements if you get stuck.
Hello, I'm over here.
Welcome back. So we've got, the first things we've got is the actual, let's go to the release notes. The first thing you can see, without a doubt, as it comes in, is Apple Watch. The Apple Watch will not work on the earlier model watches. So you can't use it on the first one that you have. You have to have about Model 8, and that will be where you are with that. Well, it's no big deal. Just use my phone. I'm not worried too much about the watch. And the second thing you've got is mobile app Dashcam viewer. Well, let me take you into the app and show you what you can do with the Dashcam viewer, because before you could only do it from the car and that was it, and you couldn't do anything else. Now you can see everything from your dash cam, everything from your Sentry, all on your phone, and you can save it to your phone at a segment. So in other words, say you've got a 30-second and you think, oh, I like that bit of, I want that, you can save it on your phone as a video to show to whoever. So if there was an incident, accident, or whatever happened, you could then show it to the police or whatever you did and say, look, this is what happened, here's the guy that hit me, and this is the proof footage. First thing you do is you open the app and you go down to security and drivers. When you open that up, the top is the Dashcam viewer, the new viewer. Then you scroll to the particular part of the films that you want. When you find the right one that you were looking at, the right day, there you have it. And as you can see, you can go with the wheel, you can adjust it to start or beginning of the video clips, and you can look at individual cameras. So we're looking at the left side of the camera now, and now we're going to swap to the right side. And then you can swap to the back to the front. You can get to the bit that you need. And as you can see every detail now on your mobile phone without having to go to the car and spend ages and hours looking for the footage that you need for the problem that you might have encountered. When you get to it, you can save the clip. It's saved onto your camera roll, and there you have it all. As simple as that. You've got the full facility of the dash cam, Sentry mode, and all shots. Everything in a nutshell. The other thing we've got now is we have the seat on the screen. Now, this is a remote control that I fitted about 2 years ago so that I could make the seat go back and forward and all the rest of it. Bear in mind that on the screen you will see blue little dots. A blue little dot on the actual car, a blue little dot on the menu, which is the custom menu, which is this one, and in there you'll see you've got toy box, energy and tuning are the 3 changes there. But once we go over to here, the first new one you're going to see is the seats. The one that says new and it's got seats, you'll see you've got an up and down arrow. Right, looking at the seat, okay, so if you take it the down arrow, it will recline it and put the seat back, and then it goes right reclined. If you put it the top arrow, not only does it put it forward, it puts the seat down as well. So the disadvantage of it is it'll put the seat back but not allow the folding, whereas on my little gadget I could put the seat back without moving the seat back. I could put it up and down. So that's the disadvantage of the system, but nevertheless it's still something that we expected and we've now got. Right, let's have a look at in safety now. We go scroll down to Joe mode. There you've got low volume in reverse. So what that'll do is it will just cut the volume lower in reversing when you're reversing, which makes the concentration a lot better. Right, so let's test it out in reverse so you can hear the sound. We'll put up a sound. Now, because of copyright strikes, we can't play any music, but you'll get the idea. I'll put up the sound of voice.
Has denied the allegations. Australia has
out there.
with the tiny Pacific
when I put it in reverse,
agreeing to provide financial
you see it makes a big difference. This is off reverse.
A third country to use the island for security purposes. South Africa's main
in reverse.
International says flights are being delayed as planes are...
So you can see that works fine. Also, on this new reversing system they've added, the back camera now allows you to, if anybody goes across the camera, it will detect it and it puts a red zone in like this so that you can see that someone's entered your area for reversing, which another safety aspect that Tesla has added in. We didn't ask for it, but now we have it, and it's very useful, especially as it detects traffic going across the back camera while you're reversing, so that you'll be completely safe. Well, I hope you've enjoyed part 1 of the holiday update. We're going to look at some more things next time, but watch this video here for another great video that we think that you might be interested in.